What's up, YouTube? So I'm going to be painting a table this time. Yay, a table. It's going to be this table right here. Yeah, it's called Lack. I got it from Ikea about 2 days ago. I was going to paint this table I'm using right now, but it's old and the paint's also chipping off, so yeah. I'm going to be doing an off-white, some sort of an off-white type of custom, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Enjoy the video. Okay, so it's been about 4 days and this is what I came up with. Yeah, this is the table right here. And as I said, I simply just ripped off Off-White's style of design with this one. Because I have the table with the quotation marks. And I also have a whole bunch of circles, which also are things I ripped off Off-White. The only thing that's actually my idea on this is this going on down here. So yeah, I hope you liked it. And also, if you did enjoy this video, like the whole video, why don't you like and subscribe? Because I'm going to be posting more videos like this. And also, you can also comment down below some ideas of things you might want to see me do. I can paint things, I can draw things, I can make things, I can break things, I can do a lot of things, and it's all up to you. So thanks for watching.